Hi everybody, today we're making a dish called Жаркое. Okay, let's start. I'm putting a medium-high heat and I have a pot here and I'm taking some virgin olive oil and adding just enough to cover the bottom of the pot. About this much. I'm waiting for the oil to heat up. While I'm waiting for the oil to heat up, I have everything chopped up except for carrots, so I'm going to chop carrots next. Okay, the ingredients are onions, bell pepper. I have one bell pepper, about one onion, and I had boneless, skinless turkey thighs, dark meat. So while the oil is heating, I'm just gonna chop carrots. Okay, I think the oil is warm enough for the onions to go into the pot. We're starting with onion. Then bell pepper. It's a good idea to season right now with black pepper, and some salt. And just saute it. While this is sauteing, let's finish chopping the carrots. So I'm just continuing to chop carrots. I first cut the carrot in half, then across. Okay, let's take a look at the pot. Looks like it needs a little more time. We want the onions to get a little golden color, and I actually put the heat too high right now. And it's a good idea to add carrots at this point. Here, the carrots. So as you can see, we have these nice colors. Okay, here I have 4 cloves of garlic that I'm going to add. I'm just going to cut it in chunks. Okay, and garlic is going to go into the pot next. I'm adding 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and I'm going to give it another stir. And continue sauteing on medium-high. I'm using high heat right now. Okay, next I have here a jalapeno pepper, and I'm just going to take about this much. It depends on how spicy you like your food. I'm not going to remove the seeds or the inside this membrane. That's what makes the pepper really spicy. But since I'm using a very little piece, I'm going to just keep it. And I'm just cutting it. Okay, this is now ready to go into the pot. Okay, into the pot I'm adding fresh jalapeno pepper. And now, as you can tell, we're getting nice color. and it's about ready for the meat. Okay, this is the color of the vegetable right now, and this is when it's a good time to add the meat. Like I said, I'm using dark thigh meat, boneless, and it's turkey. I'm going to give it a stir. So right now I'm going to add some spices. I have here, ground cumin that I grounded in the coffee grinder. And I'm putting about a teaspoon. I have some paprika here, about half a teaspoon of paprika, and I have ground coriander seeds right here. So I'm just gonna take about a teaspoon and add it to the meat and give it another stir. I'm going to saute the meat until golden for about 5–10 minutes, depending on your stove and the heat. I'm using medium high. While the meat is cooking, I'm going to chop some green onion. And this is just the end of fresh green onion, and I'm just going to use this to garnish our jarkoe. I'm also going to use tomato paste, so I have some tomato paste ready to go. And last but not least, potatoes. I have about 6 medium-sized potatoes that I quartered. So it's time to give it a stir. And let me tell you, the aroma is amazing. Needs to continue to cook at this point. Now I think I'm gonna make a little, add a little more ground coriander. Cayenne pepper, fresh cayenne, right here. And we're waiting for the liquid to evaporate. Once the liquid evaporates, it's going to start getting golden color, and that's when we can add the rest of the ingredients, which are potatoes. Okay. So give it another 10 minutes or so. I think I'm also going to add some fresh basil to my garnish. It's always good to mix several herbs because the more the merrier. So here I have some basil, chopping basil. I drained the water from the potatoes, moving it to a bigger pot so I can have room to salt it. I'm going to add some salt to the potatoes, as we're getting close to the point where I have to add potatoes. I'm just going to mix them well with the salt. There they are. And let's put potatoes, let's check on our meat. Okay, this is now a good time to add the potatoes. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium. I'm going to take my potatoes few at a time move the meat out of the way and put potatoes where the juice is. Basically, we're putting potatoes on the bottom of the pot. And meat will be on top. So here we finished adding all the potatoes, and I'm going to add some tomato paste and a little bit of fresh onion, green onion. This is tomato paste, and I'm using 2 teaspoons or so. And I'm going to cover the lid and reduce the heat to about between low and medium. You want it to simmer, but you don't want it to boil. Okay, let's give it a stir. It's been about 10 minutes. And as you can tell, it's getting nice color from the tomato paste. That's what we want. And the jarkoe is ready when the potatoes, when you take a knife and it easily goes through. So it's not ready yet, so about another 10 minutes. Our jarkoe is now ready. I have some garnish here, which is fresh onions and basil. And I also bought some edible flowers. So this is now ready. And this is the final product. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications. See you soon. Bye.